Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It me Henry back again with a very educative video kama kawaida. So today guys, I'm giving you ideas on how to make babies healthy food. Please subscribe and enjoy the video. So the first meal is zucchini and carrots. You can either decide to cut your carrot into small pieces or you can steam it as whole. Also for the zucchini, you can decide to steam it as whole or you cut it into smaller pieces. Having prepared what you are to cook for the baby, you can now prepare your steamer. If you don't have a steamer, you can boil the baby's food, but not too much boiling. Steaming is advised because steam doesn't drain the nutrients from the baby's food. So I'll steam my zucchini and carrots. You give them 10 to 15 minutes for them to be ready. And when checking if they are ready, use a fork. After 15 minutes, remove your food from the steamer. It has a lot of steam. Then place the food in a bowl and allow it some time to cool down before you blend. Then after the food has cooled down, put them in a blender. Then add some water, just enough water, not too much water, to allow the blending. You blend until smooth, until there is nothing that you can see in your food, to avoid choking the baby. After blending, take a spoon and check if you can see any chunky food that can choke the baby. If none, the food is ready for the baby. The second type of food that is healthy for your baby is pumpkin, carrot, potato and spinach. So make sure that your steamer is ready. Then put the carrots, the pumpkin and the potato to steam together because they are hard and they take some time to steam to be ready. Then once ready, put them in a bowl, allow them to cool. Then place your spinach in your steamer. Give it some 5 minutes to steam. Then once ready, place them in the bowl that you had put the rest food. Once they cool, put them in a blender so that you can blend them to make them easy for the baby to feed. Add a little water, just enough water for the food. Then blend until smooth. These foods tend to be so thick and healthy. After that, you put the food in a bowl and the food is ready. Baby's lunch is ready. You can see how yummy it is. Imagine you giving this to your baby. It's so healthy. So another type of food is rice and carrots, just the normal rice, the one that you feed on. And carrots. You can use more carrots or one carrot. steam the carrots since the rice is ready. Place the carrots in a bowl and allow them to cool. Once they cool, use your blender to blend the mixture. Add a little water, just enough water, and remember this water should be boiled water, or the water that you use to drink, not the tap water, not water direct from the tap. It's the water that you drink, or boiled water. You can see the thickness. You should make sure that the food is well blended to make it smooth for the baby. Then place it in a bowl. Ensure that there is not any crunchy food remaining, that everything that you had put in the blender was blended nicely, and your baby's food is ready. Another type of food that is healthy for your baby is green beans, carrot, and potatoes. So you remove the ends of the green beans, as you can see. And before this, you have to clean the food for the baby. As you prepare, you have to clean it very well, very nicely. Then once you are done preparing, you place the potatoes and the carrots together in the steamer because they are hard and they take some more time to steam and get ready. Use your fork to check if they are ready. Once ready, place them in a bowl or in a plate, or else you can mix them because the green beans doesn't take so long. Allow them to cool in a bowl. Once they cool, use a blender to blend. Add a little water, just enough water to blend the baby's food. Remember, it's the drinking water, not water direct from the tap. When preparing this food, you can add formula milk, or you can add the breast milk to the food once it's ready. You can add the milk at this stage now. After the food is ready, you can add the breast milk, or you can add the formula milk, or even you can just give the baby the food as it is. It's already healthy and fit for the baby. Another type of food is healthy for your baby is green peas. Meji. You should boil the green peas first. Make sure that they boil up to a stage that you yourself can feed on them. Once ready, place them in a bowl and allow them to cool. Once they cool, use a blender and blend these green peas. Add water as usual, the drinking water, not water direct from the tap. Blend until smooth. When blending, you can blend either while hot and allow the food to cool later, or you can allow the food to cool then blend when it's already cool. Ensure that there is no crunchy food left after blending this food, because this could choke the baby. So be very careful to take time in your blending. Once you are done, you place the food in a baby's bowl. You check if there is any crunchy food remaining that could choke the baby, but ours is smooth and ready for the baby to eat. to enjoy the meal. Imagine this is minji, the piece that you could eat yourself for supper, for lunch. Another type of food that is healthy for your baby is zucchini, potato, green beans, and spinach. So prepare your food, then get ready to steam them. You can start with the potato because potato is hard and it will take some time to get ready. Then when preparing the spinach, ensure that the spinach you remove the stalk, the long stalk, and remain with just a small stalk, because this can be crunchy and can choke the baby. Once ready, put the zucchini and the green beans so that they can steam together. Once those are ready, you can add your spinach for like 3 to 5 minutes. Then once ready, place them in a bowl and allow them to cool. The green beans, the potato, the spinach, you place them in a blender, add some water, clean drinking water. You can also use the water that you are using to steam because it's already boiled, or you boil some extra water. Put them in a bowl, then with a spoon, check if the food has any crunchy food remaining to avoid choking the baby. It's smooth and healthy and ready for our baby to take and enjoy. Actually, there are so many things that you can prepare for the baby. Another type of food that is healthy for your baby is broccoli, pumpkin, and potato. Once you prepare this, you can put the pumpkin and the potato to steam together because they are hard and they will take time. Give them 10 to 15 minutes to steam. Check with a fork if they are ready. If ready, you can add the broccoli in there to steam together, or you can remove the pumpkin and the potato, then place the broccoli. Once ready, place them in a bowl and allow them time to cool so that you can blend. It's already cooled. Place them in a blender. Add water, enough water to blend. Remember, it's clean drinking water or boiled water. Then blend until smooth. Place them in a baby's bowl. These are not baby's bowl. It's just creativity because I don't have a baby. And I wanted to show you how to make this food. Ensure there is not any crunchy food remaining in the baby's food. If there is none, the food is ready. Cover it and place it aside. Once you're done preparing the baby's food, you can name the food so that when giving the baby, you know what you're feeding to the baby. You give the name of the food and the date that you prepared the food, so that you remember first in, first out. But the baby's food should be fresh. Avoid giving the baby a food that you have stored in your fridge for more than 24 hours. Always give fresh food to the baby. And note that you should not microwave baby's food. Put hot water in a bowl, then place the baby's food and it will warm. Never microwave baby's food. You remember to indicate the date that you prepared the food and the time, so that you can know the 24 hours when are over. Fresh food is recommended for your babies. Do not feed your baby a food that you've stored or kept in a fridge for more than 24 hours. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.